ọba ó jẹ́ ọjọ́ kẹta tí a bá ti kírun ọdún iléyá. Tí a bá kírun ọdún iléyá ní bí ọjọ́ èní, ọjọ́ kejì a fi sinmi, ọjọ́ kẹta ní ọjọ́ ojúde ọba.
Èṣù má ṣe mí, má ṣe ní kankan, ibi òbí ń bọ̀ ní ọlọ́.
Ojude Oba is an age-long event that is as old as Ijebu itself, and it's been on for more than a century ago, if not close to 2 centuries.
Ojude Oba Day is the most important day to the Ijebus. It's a day that brings all from far and wide together in one place.
Ojude Ọba ṣe pàtàkì púpọ̀ nítorí pé àwọn àǹfààní tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó mú fún àwọn ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ó pọ̀. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ìgbà tí àwa wà ní kékeré, àwọn tó jẹ́ bàbá fún wa so wọ́n máa ń ròyìn fún wa. Bàbá náà dẹ̀ tún dàgbà, a rí pé yìí tí wọ́n sọ fún wa ọ̀tọ̀ ni, àmọ́ ìgbéga ti wà nípa ètò ọjọ́ Ojude Ọba.
And it's an event where the sons and daughters of the Ijebus, all and sundries all over the world, come together and converge at the palace of the monarch to pay homage. Although when it started, it was more or less like a fun-fair thing. Now, from there, it has, grew to the extent that it has become a big carnival that is globally known all over the world. And as the year passes by, new innovations were being put into it to make it more colorful.
It is a day that all the Awujale sons and daughters of different ages that they come together. For us, the Baloguns, it is a day that we, the Baloguns, that we pay homage to the Awujale, and then we show our strength, we show our unity, we show our beauty, and then we show how big we are as the primary defender of Ijebu land.
The history of Ojude Oba is very complex, and presently the Ojude Oba has been divided into 2 aspects. We have the regular Egbes, while we have the Baloguns, which are comprises of the elections, who have passion for horse riding, and they are not the warriors. Actually, Baloguns are the warriors that fought series of wars for the freedom of Ijebu people, mostly under the British colonialists.
Balogun Odunuga ó jẹ́ pàtàkì nínú àwọn Balogun tó ti jẹ ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Àwa a jẹ́ descendant Balogun Odunuga. Balogun Odunuga 1926 ni wọ́n jẹ oyè náà jẹ Balogun níjẹ̀bú Òde. Látìgbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti jẹ oyè, Ọlọ́run ò fún wọn láǹfààní láti lo pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ so fún ọba ìgbà tí wọ́n lò so àǹfààní tó wà ń bẹ̀, orúkọ tó wà ń bẹ̀, ìgbéga tó wà ń bẹ̀, àwa ọmọ so à ń jẹ àǹfààní yẹn lénìí.
Now, when they use that age grade relating to the name of the Oba that is ruling as at that time, they will now name the age grade as Egbe of that ruling house or the event that took place at that monarch time. On one particular year, the Balogun came into the event. You know, I said the Baloguns are the warriors. They are not just Balogun by name. They go to war front to fight for the freedom of Ijebu people. On that particular year, they went for some few weeks to the Ileya. They returned from a war front, which they conquered. So after conquering that battle, they choose to align with the Regberegbes when they were going for a visit to the palace. So the Baloguns too went on horses, because when they go to war front, they use horses, especially the warlord. They will ride on horse. So now they now come together. You know, we have various Baloguns, the warriors. They now went together to the palace alongside the Regberegbes to pay homage and to show the symbol of victory to the then ruling Kabiyesi of that time, that we went for this battle and we won it. So it's from that inception that now they now took that Baloguns to join the Regberegbe, visiting the monarch on the third day. So that was why they call it Itaoba. It is now later that we modernized it to Ojude Oba.
The Baloguns are the defenders of the state, like I said. And so for us, Ojude Oba is an important day. We, the Odunuga family, we are a big family. Within the Odunugas, you will hear a lot of names. You know, we have several branches, or we have people that are branched out into several arms. But we are still under one big umbrella called the Odunuga family. For us, Ojude Oba is really, really important. It is a day that we show our strength, that will show our commitment, that will show our love for our roots, our heritage. We come together as, you know, kids, youths, elders, and put all our resources together to bring forth, you know, a very glamorous day.
Orin tá a máa ń kọ pé ilé ńlá la ti wá, ilé ńlá la ti wá, a kì í ṣolòṣì, a ò bólòṣì tán, ilé ńlá la ti wá. Lóòótọ́ ni orúkọ ò bàjẹ́, ilé pápá ò bàjẹ́, Ọlọ́run ṣe dáadáa. Ní ṣókí, níjẹ̀bú Òde kó tó kan Balógun tiwa tó jẹ́ bàbá tiwa, bàbá fún wa, Balógun Odunuga. Àwọn kan ti jẹ́ Balógun rí, àwọn bíi Kúkù tó wọ́n ti jẹ́ Balógun, àwọn Òtùlú wọ́n ti jẹ́ Balógun, síwájú àwa náà tó àwọn Déjàyí wọ́n ti jẹ́ Balógun tó ó kan àwa náà tó lẹ́yìn táwọn náà dẹ̀ jẹ́ Balógun, àwọn kan náà ti jẹ́ lẹ́yìn wa tó pọ̀, àwọn bíi Balógun Ṣọ́yè tó tí mo lè rántí gbogbo wọn mọ́. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé àwa ọmọ Balógun Odunuga tó orúkọ tí àwọn bàbá fi sílẹ̀ tó a dúpẹ́ pé kò bàjẹ́.
On the issue of the Baloguns, which happens to be my own side, we, Balogun Odunuga, we are part of the people, the part of the warriors that have fought series of wars. You know, I told you under the Balogun aspect, we have the election. These are the people that have passion for horse riding. You understand? They are not members of the family that went to war front. But we that went for the war front, my own Balogun Odunuga is one of them. We have the Balogun Kukus there. We have the Balogun Otubu. We have the Balogun Odejayi, and the rest like that. Those are the Baloguns. But the election, those ones are the people that have the families that have passion for horse riding. So that's why we regard to them as Eleshi, and that was how we divided them into 2 groups. Now, on my own family, which is Balogun Odunuga, we are the last. Thank you. We are the last Balogun that reigned before the current Balogun. Our own Balogun reigned for more than 30 years on throne. We are the first Balogun that tasted the position with the stages that it's supposed to go. We started from Osi Balogun, graduated to Odun Balogun, later became the Balogun.
We rode over 40 horses that we brought together. We brought drummers from far and wide, as far away as Oyo, Ilorin, and I think we had excess of 100 drummers. Those are the local drummers. Not to talk about the band set. For us, we had over 100 flags that we were flying, and we came out in March to kind of celebrate Ojude Day. Like I said, we are one of the original Baloguns, and every year thousands of people will sit and await us. They will line the street to see us pass, to see us showcase our horse riding skills, to hear guns, blazing around, And so for me, it is an important day for us.
Nínú ètò ojúde ọba tí à ń ṣe, kí a tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé wọ́n ń fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn ní ọjọ́ ojúde ọba, èyí tí àwọn bàbá wa kábíyèsí ọba Síkírù Adétọ̀nà Aláyélúwà Ọ̀gbágbádì II, ètò tí wọ́n ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó máa fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn ní ọjọ́ ojúde àwa elétí tá à ń dára, tá à ń fi ẹtí dára, tá a sì náwó. Wọ́n ti ń ṣe ojúde ọba tipẹ́, àwọn rẹ́gbẹ́rẹ́gbẹ́ ti ń ṣe àwọn ẹgbẹ́ náà ni bàbá wa tún ṣe àtúnṣe tí wọ́n tún ṣe ìgbéga sí. Lẹ́yìn tá a dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí, eléyìí tún mú wa, ó mú ìdùnnú, ó mú ìwúrí, ó mú bá wa, ó sì energize wa pé ká lè máa ṣe déédéé, ká tún múra sí ìgbéga ètò ti ojúde ọba.
And our family has a very unique factor because yearly we usually come out in a colorful manner, very, very colorful. And to achieve this, we too, within our family, we decided to go into various ways by which we can achieve this. Everything to make things happen and to make things colorful, to achieve your aim, it's all surrounded by having money. You have to spend money. So technically, we decided to put in some ways by which we can generate the funds. We have, even in our own family, which is the Balogun Odunuga, we have 2 groups. We have the elderly groups and we have the youth groups. Even though, one might see me as being a little bit elderly person, but I still regarded myself under the youth group. It is this youth group that we seek for a lot of assistance from, because looking by the elders forum, you know that most of them are very old, that they are retirees, that to raise funds may be very difficult for them. But whatever they bring into the family, we are comfortable with it. It is the youth now, the youth wing, that normally carries the greatest burden of the Ojude Oba in my family. They've been trying for a series of years tremendously.
We have a lot of people that contributed year in year out to make this an exemplary day. We've got family members that are in Nigeria. We've got those that are overseas. Special thanks to the folks that I call on every year to put in their resources and that are always eager and ready to contribute.